Dear friends, welcome to reflect the Gospel of the 23rd Sunday in Ordinary Time in Year B. This Sunday we are reflecting from the Gospel of St. Mark, chapter 7, verses 31 to 37. Jesus heals a deaf man in a pagan territory. People brought to Jesus a man who was deaf and who also had speech impediment. Jesus took this man away from the crowd and he put his fingers into this man's ears and touched his tongue with his saliva. Jesus looked up to heaven and groaned, "Ephphatha, be opened." Immediately, this deaf man was healed and he spoke so clearly. We might wonder why Jesus healed this man by touching his tongue, by touching his ears, and so on. Jesus could have also healed by saying a word. Jesus allowed this man to have a personal encounter with him. The healing takes place through this personal encounter with Jesus. Jesus shared his saliva to this man. Saliva is the identity of a person. In the beginning, when God created human being, God breathed into the nostrils of the human being. Thus, God gave life to the human being by sharing his breath. Here, similarly, Jesus healed this deaf man by sharing his saliva to this man. Jesus spoke the word "Ephphatha," be opened. Although St. Mark wrote the Gospel in Greek language, here he uses this Aramaic word "Ephphatha." It indicates that the people who were there have heard Jesus so well that they heard this word "Ephphatha." In the Gospels, we find few other Aramaic words to show us Jesus' own words. Jesus told to them, "Do not speak about this miracle." This is what we call in Mark's Gospel as messianic secret. It is so important to listen to the Word of God. Before Bible was being written down, it was handed over as an oral tradition. It is so important to listen to the Lord. In the Jewish prayers, they say, "Shema Israel, hear, O Israel," to listen to the Lord before speaking out. It is so important to have this ability to listen and to speak. In this Sunday, let us reflect. Jesus has touched each one of us in our baptism. The priest touches our ears and mouth and says the word "Ephphatha," be opened. How often we listen to the Word of God? How often in our day we find time to listen to the Lord in prayer? Are we courageous to proclaim the Word of God? Let us also reflect, do we bring others to Jesus? Jesus touches and says, "Ephphatha, be opened." Let us allow Jesus to touch us. Let us proclaim the Word of God in our life. Friends, be sharers of the Word of God by sharing this video to one or two of your friends. God bless you.